Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in today. In this video I'm going to show you how I lost 7.2 kilos off my dirt bike. The first thing that I removed was the factory Kawasaki headlight, which weighed in at 1.6 kilos, and I replaced it with an aftermarket headlight I got off eBay for $18, which weighed in at 476 grams. I removed the old factory lead acid battery, which weighed in at 2.34 kilos, and I replaced it with an Australian brand SSB Power Sport battery, and it weighed in at 600 grams. I removed the skid plate, and it weighed in at 1.3 kilos. I made my own skid plate out of a high voltage sign, danger sign I got from a wrecking yard, and it weighed in at 260 grams. I removed the factory blinkers, which weighed in at 400 grams, and I replaced them with these LEDs that I got off eBay for $18, and these blinkers weighed in at 60 grams. I removed my rear frame off my rear mudguard, which weighed in at 864 grams. I removed my handguards, which weighed in at 830 grams. Removed the mirrors, as I only ride the bike in the bush, and they weighed in at 452 grams. I removed the odometer as it doesn't work anymore, and I'll be seeking a replacement later, but this weighed in at 600 grams. This took about an hour and a half and $148, and the total weight loss was 7.2 kilos or 15.8 pounds. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it interesting. If you would hit that red subscribe button, I would really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more. Thanks again. Bye.